Hey friends, today we're going to be redoing this little small flower bed here. I'm going to be planting a few zinnias in here and just cleaning this up and getting some fresh mulch in. But like I said in my last video, this is just going to be showing how to garden with a full-time job and what you can get done. So it's going to be the real, the raw, honest, just showing you how much you can do and the mistakes we make along the way. So we've gotten all the old mulch out of here. We also have a big honeysuckle plant here. I'm hoping to maybe put an archway in over here or something for this to vine on later on, but right now we're just tackling this. So we took all the old mulch out and I'm going to go ahead. We see that there are some grass growing in here that the mulch hasn't protected from, so we're going to go ahead and dig these up and kind of turn them so that we don't start out our new flower bed with weeds already growing in it. We got the dirt all turned up, most of the weeds out. Obviously there'll probably be some more grow, but we just loosened things up a little bit. And now let's go get the zinnias. Now these zinnias aren't happy with me. They've been in here way too long, and you can see there's a few that have died on me due to lack of watering. We also got some herbs really not happy. These have been in here long enough, they're probably pretty root brown. Yeah, you can just pull them out. So I've got all different colors, each row's a different color, so we're gonna kind of just mix them up a little bit. So right now I'm just getting them out, seeing how many we can fit in here. That one has two, we'll have to separate. One of the roots went over to the other capsule. This is the spacing I'm thinking of. I'm putting them in pretty tight because I kind of want some dense flowers here, and we'll be cutting off of them for some cut flowers to take inside also. So I want to have plenty of flowers that this will look nice and full and beautiful. This is all that we're going to do right now. Hopefully this will be big and beautiful come this summer. Excited to see what it looks like. Now we're not going to mulch this today. We have a lot of different areas that we've been working on that need mulch, and even some more that we're going to be doing. So I'm waiting because we like to buy our mulch in bulk. It's a lot cheaper that way. And we'll be doing that hopefully in one of these upcoming videos. We can show you how we do that and post us getting all the mulch in our flower beds. That's all I have for you guys today. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.